YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. We are back on the Toyota Tundra. So I have a big black V8 Toyota Tundra that I really like, my Wintermobile. I've been doing a lot of mods to it, as you guys can see outside. I've been doing, I did the mirror, I did the new wheels. I've done a lot of stuff. But one of the things that you guys noticed right away is the Tundra badge. So what we're going to be doing is blacking out that. So I have a little box over here that I ordered. These are going to be some OEM new badges, pretty cool. So the entire truck is going to get blacked out in badges. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and it'll look amazing, and it'll really transform the truck, in my opinion. It has the 4x4 right here, it has the iForce V8, has the SR5s because I have an SR5, which I'm going to put those back on. Has a rear Toyota badge, all black, all OEM, all new. And then another iForce V8 on the side. So they're all black. In addition to that, I got the wheel. The wheel is going to show you guys how to remove the OEM tape and the gunk off here with a drill. Very cool. But first off, and first thing, we need to wash the truck so we got a nice clean working surface. But I'm going to go show you the before, and then we'll go and remove the badges, or wash the truck, remove the badges, and install the new ones. And I'll show you guys the after, and it's going to look amazing. It'll be nice to have a blacked out Tundra. Followed by the next video, we're going to be doing carbon fiber. I'm so stoked. I can't believe I finally got that. I've been waiting forever. A carbon fiber interior for the Tundra. And then followed by that, we're going to be doing some blue or white LEDs headlights. I already have the new Alpha Rex headlights, but the bulbs came with incandescent, so I got sponsored, and we're going to be doing that on the following video. So let's go ahead and jump over to the car. So of course, the truck is very, very dirty. One, it's black, so it always shows all the dirt. And then two, we drove it over the winter, and I haven't really hand washed it since then. So we're going to be removing this badge, this badge, this badge, and we're just going to be relocating them all in the same spot. And then we're also going to be removing this badge, and this badge, and then following on the other side. Same thing, SR5, Tundra, and this. And it'll make the truck look amazing. But you guys can see how dirty the truck is. So let's go ahead and hose down the truck and start washing it so that we have a nice clean working surface like always. Alright, one of my favorite looks, especially with the black paint, all soaped up. It's going to look amazing with those new black badges. So now that we got it all soaped up, let's hose it all down and then dry off the truck so we have a nice clean surface to install the all black badges. Okay, we're back out of the truck. Boy, that took me a long time to wash the car because it's a truck, it's huge. So get a nice clean surface. It's gonna take you forever, especially with the black truck. I like hair dryers. I do have a heat gun, but the heat gun gets too hot too quick in my opinion, and I feel like I can't control the temperature as much. This is more mild. So what we're gonna do now is heat up this badge, and then we're gonna take some dental floss here and yank it off, cut it off. So we'll just go ahead and watch, and we'll do it together. This is gonna take a while, so I'm assuming that this whole truck to do this will probably take about 2 hours. So set some time aside, plus the car wash is another hour, so about the whole afternoon. Okay, now that I have it warmed up, we're gonna just take the dental floss, go behind the badge, and then just saw through. All right, once you've gone through the majority of it, it'll come up. So we're gonna just come on and push, should come off. And here it comes. You can see that this is what's gonna be a pain right here. So I ended up getting a drill, or I have a drill. I'm gonna show you guys how to use a drill with a remover of this 3M remover. It's sticky tape remover. It's amazing. So another trick too, before I get the wheel, is if you have like a plastic, I use a spatula, hilarious, but if you have some kind of plastic tool that has a semi-sharp edge, it's very easy to get this stuff off too without scratching the paint. No metal. If you use a flathead screwdriver, you'll dig right into the paint. But plastic to paint, the paint seems to be stronger than the plastic. So you'll watch this. This whole thing will just come off, but it's not going to look flush and perfect. That's why you need the wheel to make it look flush and perfect. Okay, so you can see right there. So let's go ahead and get that wheel real quick now. Okay, so it's kind of like an eraser on the back of a pen. So this is what we're going to be using. It has a drill bit. They are about $10, $10 to $15, and you just start your drill and just go across that, and it'll just erase all of this stuff off here. It's pretty amazing. It will give a little bit of sling, so the stuff will come off and shoot everywhere, but it sure does make the truck look brand new. So if you were gonna want to leave the car debadged, this is how you do it, just like that. So dental floss, the spatula method, or plastic scraper, and then the wheel, and then you'd follow by some probably isopropyl alcohol. And so we're gonna put some of that on now, and then you're gonna just have a clean surface in. So if that's what you wanted to do, then great. I mean, that's what you want to do, but that's not what we're wanting to do. By the way, I don't want to use one of my nice microfibers for this because the isopropyl alcohol will eat right into that. Okay, so now we're gonna have this nice clean surface here. Perfect. All right, and SR5 still kind of there. You'd want to use some wax to get rid of it. Can you guys see the SR5 still? It's there. I don't know if it shows up on camera. So the next thing we're gonna do is go grab that new badge and install the new SR5 badge. So make sure you put it the right way. This is the old badge. Here's the new one. Oh, it's so much cooler. We're gonna open up the new one. Before you put the new one on, I did use the isopropyl alcohol like I just showed you guys. I definitely recommend taking your hair dryer again and heating up the paint and the 3M so it doesn't come off. Even in warm weather and even in cold weather, just always get the temperature warm so it makes the 3M more adhesive. Okay, one more little heat here. And now that we have everything kind of warm, all you need to do is take your badge. There's going to be still a slight outline. It won't be perfect. And just put it back to where it was if you want the same. If you want to move it or use a different badge, you're more than welcome to, but I want the same. So now that we have it on here, we're just going to push our hand like this for 30 seconds, lean against it, talk to you guys, say, hey, hope you're all having a good day. And then we'll move my hand and move on to the next one, and I'll show you guys the little end result of the first blackout badge on the SR5. Okay, 30 seconds have gone by. Amazing, looks so good. Way more modern. This truck's gonna be amazing when I'm done with it. So let's go ahead and move on to the iForce badge next. Now, this is a badge that I was most tempted to leave because I like this right here. But I'm just gonna do it all black. We're gonna have a nice blacked out truck, no chrome. I was gonna actually plasti dip or paint this part myself and then leave this red. I thought that might look cool, but we're just gonna go full black on this one. Let's grab the hairdryer, heat it up, and start the method to pop this guy off. Okay, I followed the same process for the iForce V8. Went behind it with the dental floss. The dental floss broke. Moved on over to my plastic spatula. Just get some kind of plastic remover. Spatula works really good. Went underneath it, pried it off. Now the unfortunate thing is behind this one, it had a ton of the tape that just stuck. So I ended up just going over the entire thing with the wheel eraser. It did a really good job. I'm actually going to use the dryer right now to blow all this off. So I did just wash the car, but it's a mess. I mean, it got everywhere. It got all over me. So we'll go ahead and wipe that all down, clean it all up. Our work area, it got everywhere, unfortunately. Hey, but it did get it off. Again, a good surface. These badges are really nice. I like the thickness on them. They feel good. So same thing. We're gonna go ahead and remove the 3M tape, heat it up, heat the paint, and apply it back where that same line was. Alright, some pro tips. One, heat up the badge before you take it off. It makes it easier to come off. Two, make sure you get some kind of plastic. This is way better. The dental floss won't work. It's not strong enough. Three, don't get rocks or anything behind here and scratch, because you might get a scratched surface. I accidentally did that. And then the next thing is definitely don't be afraid to break the old chrome ones, because you're just throwing them away anyways. So keep that in mind. Those are the pro tips. The other thing is, if you're attempting to do this, do not do this without the eraser wheel. It's just a waste of your life. Don't do it. Do it with the eraser wheel. It's worth the $10. And then, like I said, set some time aside to do this. But the outcome is starting to look amazing. For example, oh, there goes that. That looks so good. That looks so good. And then that looks amazing. It's just so much beefier. Oh, I'm finally happy. I'm finally happy. I hated looking at the Tundra, the chrome part down there. It drove me nuts. When I get the runners, the new runners, the truck's gonna look like it's worth so much more money. Oh, it looks so much better already. Okay, we're two-thirds of the way through. Wow, that looks awesome. Got the 4x4. So I just went back with all the OEM badges. I don't know if you know, but it feels like it makes the truck look a little bit darker, which is definitely what I'm going for. I love it. It makes it look way less chrome. Rear bumper, gotta go. I haven't ordered a new one, but I'm ordering a OEM-like one that's just powder-coated black. I'll be doing a how-to video for that. That'll make the rear of the truck look way better. The badges done amazing already. So much better. So much better. So much more modern. So 2/3 of the way done. We just need to flip the truck around. We're gonna take a break, flip the truck around, and then do the other side. And yeah, blackout. That's how you guys do it. Oh man, this truck looks awesome. Man, that looks amazing. That looks so good. You can't even tell the 4x4s there. Looks so good. SR5. Look at that. So good. It's all smoked, all dark, all blacked out. We're 90% of the way done. Just got one more here. Ran out of battery on the drill. Again, 3 hours is what's taking me so long to do this, or the time it took me. So I'm almost done. We'll clean this last one off, wrap up the video, and then that's how you guys do it. If you have questions or comments, you know, please comment down below. I'll help you. Time consuming. Definitely wash your truck or your car or whatever when you're doing with this. Wash it before. It'll help you a lot. And then you just have to get the eraser wheel, and then you have to get some kind of plastic scraper off it, or you're just gonna really struggle with it. These badges are really on there. All right, just like that, we have a blacked out Tundra. 3 hours it took me. Wash the car, to remove the badge and clean the surface, and then put the new badges on. But wow, all of them ended up turning out amazing. Totally transformed the car. Way more aggressive. I highly recommend doing these. I paid, I think, $110 for all these badges. You can get OEM ones. It's pretty cool. So you can get factory SR5 or factory badges. I was thinking about putting a TRD one on, but I kind of wanted to just keep it a little bit, just a real clean OEM. So maybe I'll put some more TRD stuff on. We'll see. I got the TRD floor mats currently, and some other, the TRD badge, of course, swingbymitch.com for that one. So check this out. We'll be back tomorrow or in 2 days for a carbon fiber interior, which is just going to transform this car unbelievably. But yeah, TRD badge, swingbymitch.com. Very clean build now, looking really aesthetic. Still love the Colosio seats. Those are awesome, but yeah. So, and the Alpha Rex headlights are by far still my favorite mod. Those are amazing. We're also going to be doing some LED low beam lights. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely important how to have all those tools, have the eraser wheel, have rubbing alcohol, have some kind of spatula, plastic remover, have a hair dryer. You do need a lot of tools to do it, but the end result's really good. Like, subscribe, see you guys in the next video.